Hello, YouTubers and citizens of Australia. I have just been debriefed by the KMHO and bring you grave news. Australia will be declaring a pandemic as the virus, or COVID-19, has already spread to our neighbors in the US of A. As king, it is my duty to instruct and warn my fellow YouTubies in preparation for quarantine events that will follow shortly. Don't worry, it's a big nothing burger. It's just the flu, bro. Nothing to worry about. Besides, you can't declare a pandemic if you don't do any tests. Well, we're gonna need to collect kibble, dog kibble, and typewriters. That is the way of the future. We will write the future. I'm hoping you're having a stress-free, worry-free weekend. Today we're going to learn some recipes, some survival recipes. No particular reason. Just I thought it just might be a good idea this week. We will teach you how to make hardtack for survival and Ween jerky. These will be useful in the coming months.
Hey YouTubies, so now to start making hardtack. Hardtack is a great survival food that's pretty easy to make. Hardtack is made of just a few ingredients. We've got some whole wheat flour, or you could use regular flour if you want. Salt. Grab your salts. And water. That's it. That's all you need. And this stuff could last like 100 years if you make it right. Basically, the drier the better. No promises that this will taste good. This might be a non-al dente video, but it's for survival. Get the flour. Scoop yourself. Let's get like 2 cups. 2 cups of. Let's do 2. This will be messy. Let's put let's put like half a tablespoon of salt. A little more. Mix that around a little bit. Get the salt. Spills are okay. So I got a cup of water. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add it slowly. Mix it around. Try to make a dough. Look at that. Does that look good already? Get some of those grimes off. Let's just dump it all out. Anything that's not sticking, we'll use it as. Once you got it kind of in a dough form, you're going to need to like roll them out into like little biscuits. Now you're going to need something to roll these out with. Any kind of object that is like this Lysol can will work. You just peel it off the Lysol. And you want about 1/4 of an inch, 1/3. I think 1/3 an inch, something like that. Maybe that's good. Maybe. I also have a real rolling pin. It's a survival food, not yum yum, not yum yum food. Beautiful. Let's get them onto a pan. Let's take this knife I found. There, that's one. It smells like rabbit. Like rabbit if you have a pet rabbit. This is what it smells like. Timothy Hay. So, next we need to poke them with something. We got a little meat thermometer, that'll work. You need to put a bunch of holes in. There's no right or wrong way. Well, I guess it'd be wrong if you didn't poke it. Make sure to poke it. Oh, while you're doing this, preheat the oven to 250. Beautiful. If you can see those, look at that. Nice. Basically, we're just gonna cook these 250 degrees or 300 or so, and just bake them for like 3-4 hours. Just nice and slow. Let's get this in here. Oh, fuck, smoke. Something's burning in there. Probably some old food. Beautiful. They've cooled. Well, let's get to work on the jerky now. So to make Ween jerky or hot dog jerky, I selected these turkey franks that are from Bar S. I don't know what the S stands for, but anyways, these should be pretty delicious. So grab a couple Weens, you know, just get them in there. Turkey Weens have a very pungent odor to them. So to make jerky, we need to cut these into very thin pieces. So after some experimenting, this knife is not that sharp. So I got my Ween blade out. This should speed up the process. Let's try. To try carving it like this. So you want real thin and low fat, because we need to get all the fat cooked out of these. So the next step is to transfer the Weens to the rack. Oh, this one still needs a little cutting. Well, that didn't work. Well, let's see. We'll try our best here. This one's good. So lay your best Weens across thine rack. These are, I don't know, these are hard to resist. Now we have the Weens ready to put in the oven. Now you want to set your oven to 175 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for like 4 hours. So roll that beautiful Ween footage. Let's take a peek. They're so red. Look at those, or pink. Bright pink Weens. Roll that beautiful Ween footage. Boogie baby, you hungry? You want to eat, Boogie baby? Beautiful, crispy Weens. Boogie baby, you hungry? Boogie baby. What do you think? Taste test. We'll be able to keep you fed all through the winter. Don't eat the whole thing. Come on, give me. You're gonna choke on it. You gotta take bites. Well, I'm gonna say this is al dente.